Hey there YouTube, welcome viewer. Today we got a Suzuki up in the air and customer went and got this whole EVAP canister with the leak detection pump and the junkyard. They spliced the connector over here. Alright, all we needed was a pump here. Pump has 1, 2, 3 bolts with this cover on it. A little bit of simple job, but now the job is made difficult because we have to remove the whole rusted cover down below, and it has 2 bolts in the back. 1, 2, we're going to take those off, and we're going to disconnect a pipe here, and this one right here. So 3 pipes. They're not going to be easy to get to because it's a big metal cover around it. But anyways, let's get to this job, and after that we'll reset the light and job should be good. And this is the issue. It's gonna fix the problem. It's giving a code for this, but I know this vehicle also had a leak, which I fixed earlier a few months back. Anyways, hopefully this takes care of it. EVAPs are not easy to fix. You gotta throw stuff at it. You can diagnose it, but something like this, internal will go bad. They will get jammed up, clogged up, overfilling too much fuel. Will just mess this thing up. But clear code for this, okay, for this detection pump. Anyways, let's get this job going. Okay, so here we are. We got the connector, pipe, this little guy. Then we got 12 millimeter. We got 12 millimeter zip tie, cut that off. 12 millimeter, and right back here we got 2 number 10s. Let's see how they feel about this. Okay, they don't feel good about this. They say, nope, we ain't coming off. This one got loose. I got 1 loose. And the second one, let's take off this brake cable here. Give us more clearance. Okay. What's up, buddy? And this guy comes off. Had somebody standing out there looking at things like they was shopping. Probably was shopping my RCs out there. All right, now we got more better clear view of this little guy, and it does not want to budge, and I do not want to strip. I did strip a little bit, but I think I should just leave it alone. Let this box come down a little bit. Let's work on the 12s. Ah, my good old drill. Anyways, this 12. Oh, pretty easy. Not stuck. Come on. Did not want to let go. We got 1 all the way up there. Now our box is already moving around. Maybe if you could put an impact on this guy now, with all that room right there, a socket would do now. All right, now with our socket, it's a piece of cake. All right, I'm gonna get both of these out and we'll continue. I just realized there's a bolt up here. There's a bolt on the side here. And this cover should come off. And then I should be able to work on all this. Okay, let's give it a try that way. Oh, it's all corroded. Not dealing with that. So we're gonna just bring the whole box down. And then once it's down a little bit, and then we should be able to do something with this. Okay, making some progress. I'll pop this connector off, wiring harness here. I'll splice it here, that's the other choice. Now it's time for us to get the harness out of this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna squeeze that clip, play around with it, and it should simply come out just like that. All right, so our harness is out of the way. Stick it right there. This box is supposed to slip out this way and the whole thing's supposed to come out, or this mechanism supposed to go that way, but nothing is working the way we want. Even this little guy, I was thinking about, took off the bolt here. I could bend this, but that didn't work either because it's hitting here. Alright guys, did some magic work. I did splice all this because there's no way that bolt is coming from the top to bottom. You can't even put your hands on these, okay? I don't know what they was thinking. The whole thing gotta come down. How? You can't even take off the pipes. So I got this guy out, and I did put that number 12 back here, back in, so it can hold itself up. This guy is gonna come out, and the canister should be just hanging after that. It's okay, those pipes are able to manage themselves. Okay, let's let it hang over here a little bit. Got the bad boy hanging by the neck. All right, so there's a bolt over here, but the only way to get it out, you have to remove everything, but you can't even get to the end of these pipes. But now all you need to do is squeeze this, squeeze that blue clip here, that thing comes off, and same thing with the other pipe is similar to this, and bada bing bada boom, you guys got it. So far I squeezed this right from the edge right here, and just like that, and I pulled this out. This was a piece of cake, but these two are not joke. They're no joke. And they got like a little retainer right there, so two flathead screwdrivers right there. Flip them open, comes right out. All right, so I got this almost out. There you go. And the whole EVAP canister just comes right out. Woohoo! All right, we're gonna change this baby. Put another one in, the one the customer got. All right, so let's clean all the necks. And I got my WD-40. We're gonna lubricate a little bit. It's only 3 pipes. And just put tap of WD-40. And just take your finger, roll it around. This is gonna make your connectors, your seals, just go in there real easy. That's it. Wipe off your hand, and now we're gonna take it back in, and same procedure, guys. Stick it back in. You want to put that bolt down here, you're gonna have to reach with the extension from back over here and get it in there. But our mechanism is gone. It's all right. I'll put some kind of tie here later on that will hold that in. All right, so here goes nothing. Same thing. Put this over here. These pipes are gonna hold it for you, okay? These pipes are your arms right now. Got them all in except this guy right here, but I'm gonna get that one in. I need to have this helping me here. All right, so push this in, line these, and that's it. Later on, you put the connector in. Job is well done, and don't forget the 2 bolts in the back. I'll show you once it's all completed. Don't forget your connector. All right, guys, here comes Machine Gun Kelly. Do not forget the connector. You forget that connector, pretty much you forgot everything if you forgot that connector. Same thing. Squeeze it, pull it out, push in the new connector. It should click. Put the harness in. Put the harness right here. And the only thing I got left is this little guy. 2 bolts in the back. Got my socket still stuck in there. That shouldn't even been in there, because they ain't coming out. And don't forget this little guy. Bada bing, bada boom. Reset the light. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.